So the way that I see it, and kind of the big change from past missions really, is that this time round they're actively looking for kind of human involvement later down the line. So they're kind of some of the experiments that they've added onto that are to investigate a little bit more on the feasibility of sending humans out, which I think is changing the whole feel of the missions to Mars really. Because in the past it's been about sending robots, trying to understand the planet, but now it's taking it a bit